Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another free copywriting tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about anger words. So basically there are certain situations and certain problems that you need people's attention because they are doing something that it's wrong in your eyes, right? The biggest example that I can think of is pollution, right? When you think about global environment, when you think about all these problems, you need to get people's attention because they're doing something that you think is wrong and needs to be changed, right? So if you want to spice up your copy in something that really fires you up, there's a problem, there's something that you need to solve, it's something that you want to get people's attention in order to reveal the secret, right? Let's say that people are doing something wrong, or you're talking about gurus, right? You're talking about these guys that are promise you millions and that you're gonna be millionaire online overnight, right? And you wanna talk about them, and in a way, you want to get people's attention and tell them like, hey, that's scam, right? It's something that it's force-fed, obnoxious, it's a pain in the ass, it's pure bull, right? So you need to use stronger words in order to get people's attention and reveal that it's something that you are not, that you think is not okay, right? So a lot of magazines, a lot of places use these kinds of words in these kinds of scenarios. Obviously guys, you can overuse it and just be a hater, so don't become a hater and just see like, okay, is this situation worth using some of these anger words? Because I truly think that there's some occasions where people need like a little slap in the face, right? Something to wake them up and feel like, hey, realize this is not true, this is a lie, this is a scam, right? And you need words that are strong. You can't tell people like, this is bad, because it's not gonna work, right? See the difference, feel the difference right now if I tell you this thing is bad because versus this is a scam, right? Scam has like a lot of meaning, a lot of emotion inside of it, right? If you say pissed off, right? I'm angry versus pissed off, it feels more emotional. So you need to put these words in the exact place. Let's say that you're talking like, yes, all this system is corrupt, right? It feels more like a stronger word, something that is corrupt. No, this system is doing things bad versus corrupt, right? Or if you tell them these obnoxious methods that they're trying to use to tell you to win money, to make money online, which is fake. If I told you it's false versus fake, or these obnoxious things, it feels more emotional, right? That's the main thing about all this tutorial that I'm teaching you guys, that you realize the difference between using power words and just regular words, and which kind of power words you need to use in order to make people feel certain emotions. So if you want them to feel anger, to feel like, yeah, this problem is actually real, is actually something important, you need to use these power words. Like they're lying, right? Force-fed lie. It applies to a lot of things. I'm sick and tired. It sounds way better than, yes, I'm tired of these things. I'm sick and tired. You feel it? Can you feel it? Okay. Misleading. Yeah. If I tell you like, yeah, people are using these methods, these traffic methods for marketing versus these misleading videos, these misleading methods that are not actually giving you the answer, they are just misleading, versus not giving you the answer. Because in copywriting, guys, something that's really important is to be simple and powerful. A good copywriter can use really few words and arise a lot of emotions, a lot of power. So if you see people doing like long and long texts, it's not gonna work quite well because people get bored, right? You want to pump people up and just use the few words as possible, because people have really short time periods, right, of attention, like 3 seconds. So you need 3 seconds to get their attention and really get your message through. So my main purpose with all of these guys is helping you communicate better in a way that it's more powerful and that your message doesn't get unnoticed for all the other messages around. So another good one, yeah, pain in the ass, obviously really good one, but don't worry about like memorizing all of these words, because I'm gonna leave you a document for free where I teach you like every single list separated by every emotion. So the purpose, guys, for me with these videos is telling you, okay, if you wanna make people more excited, let's say that you're making a post and you're announcing something, right? Something new, your new offer, and you want people to get excited about it, I'm gonna tell you, okay, use these kind of words. If you wanna get people angry about a problem or something that you wanna solve, that you're really passionate about, use these words, the fear-based, the loss-based. So all the words that we've seen this previous week, I'm gonna teach you where you can use them and how to use them, in which cases and which emotions you need for certain things, right? So it depends. If you're sending an email for a clothing store, if you're gonna use different words, you might not use these words, right? You're gonna use more lost words, engagement words, more pumped up words, right? So in tomorrow's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use all the words that we have seen so you can arise the correct emotions. Because if you just go there and put all of these words in one copy, it's not gonna be congruent, right? You need to use the right words. So now that you know every single type or category of words there is, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use them and when to use them. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow. If you wanna see more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below. If you wanna take it to the next level, you know what to do. Peace.